Thank you very much. Thank you for the invitation and for being here. It's a pleasure to have a chance to introduce RetinAI Kirian to you. We created this company almost 10 years ago to break the digital barrier that are separating patients from the best technology solutions available to them. And now, as part of the EssilorLuxottica family, we are just going to expand on those missions and values to the pharma industry, to the clinical industry, and also to research, of course. Decisions are made out of data. And actually, today we have more data than ever before. And it's very difficult to look at all data in order to take decisions. Kirian exists and RetinAI exists in order to enable the right decisions sooner in healthcare. And we do it based on 4 pillars. First is detecting diseases sooner. Second is optimizing treatment decisions. Third is expediting clinical collaboration. And last but not least, accelerating drug development. And how do we do this? We do this with, sorry, I'm just going to move the cursor. We do it with the RetinAI Discovery Platform, which is a certified healthcare AI platform that is used today by pharma, clinics, and research in order to do 4 things. The first thing is data harmonization. Multimodal data, clinical data, imaging, we harmonize it all. Second, we put a layer of data curation, and we make sure through the Discovery Connect platform that we can just connect the dots and bring it to the moment where it's going to be analyzed with one of our ever-growing collection of AI models, some of which are certified as medical device in the European market. Out of these AI models, you are going to extract insights that are going to be taken in the process of decision-making. So we are going to package the data together with the insights and bring it to the workflow where the decision is going to be taken. We have hundreds of users, different partners, tens of millions of patient visits processed to date. And we have now a solid partnership that we are building with top pharma, clinical institutions, researchers. And this footprint matters because of what I'm going to introduce next. Data matters, real data matters, and also a regulated environment. Why does this matter? Because we are introducing a new solution. This is RetinAI OCT Atlas, which is our best-in-class, certified and approved AI algorithm for the analysis of fluids, different types of fluids and layers. It's actually expanding on the already existing disease portfolio that we had, and it's adding glaucoma as a certified solution for the European market. Hopefully, we will have soon it available for the US market too. Now, where are we putting Discovery RetinAI OCT Atlas to use? We are using it to support clinical development pipelines. So, for instance, clinical trials, which is one of the areas where you have a lot of delays and it's going to cost a lot of resources for pharmaceutical companies. We are using OCT Atlas to analyze data at scale from patient pools that are present in the clinic. We are going to use the imaging inclusion and exclusion criteria that are based on clinical studies in order to surface the patients that are going to be candidates for a clinical study. We have seen that what does it mean in terms of results? It's bringing up to increasing the efficiency up to 4 times in terms of trial enrollment. We did a test in Dr. David Eichenbaum's clinic in Retina Virtues Associates of Florida, where we compared side-by-side the results of GATHER1 and GATHER2 clinical study using traditional methods and our solution. And we got 4.3 times more enrollment efficiency and 4 times faster enrollment of those patients. Now, we can use this technology as well in order to facilitate real-world evidence. We saw this morning that there is a lot of work being done. We are using our technology to combine with datasets present in different clinical sites, combining with structural information and functional information, and the insights that we extract are used to design smarter trials, estimate disease burden and patient volumes, and there are a variety of elements that it can be used for in order to basically accelerate the process of bringing drugs to the market. Now, what about the future? So we are building on this certified and validated technology to enable the future of oculomics. So today we have a library of more than 100 AI-based biomarkers that are being used or are connected to the development of diseases such as Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, multiple sclerosis, just to name a few. What you need to know is that every single OCT scan that you get in a clinic is going to be part of the future of analysis of systemic diseases. And we do it in a very specific way. We are basically validating quantification infrastructure. So we have the underlying infrastructure that enables you to build oculomics on top. The future is going to be resource use only for the time being. Then we are going to bring into retina health indices for population. And lastly, we are going to bring it to become certified devices for the European and the US market. To conclude, we have solutions that are accelerating clinical development pipelines for pharma. We are bringing certified solutions for clinic all over the globe and hopefully soon in the US. And we are going to put the infrastructure that is going to enable the future of oculomics. Thank you very much.